Assalamualaikum and greetings of peace and development. I am Aminuddin Mangagor Sampurna, 21 years of age, coming from the very known province, Maguindanao. Dr. Jose Rizal said, ang kabataan, ang pag-asa ng bayan. Yes, because we are the next generations who will be bringing our country. Sangguniang kabataan issue. Abolish or reform. Maybe we have observed its disadvantage and advantage. Then neglect the disadvantage, then focus on the advantage, then reform. Why? It is because Sangguniang Kabataan is a sector representing the youth and the government. And as we look into this, it is a very good training for us to be the future stewards of our community. Another one, it will give learning for us to apply the proper governance in the field of leadership through the guidance of the elders and those people who are in higher positions. They said some of the youths are very aggressive. It could be. But I do believe that if the youth will be guided properly, 100% there will be a reform. Just like Professor Molano of De La Salle University said, if you want to make a change, then begin with the youth. Why? It is because kung ang kabataan ay hindi magabayan ng maayos, hindi ito magiging pag-asa ng bayan, kung hindi magiging problema ng bayan. This is the reason why I am saying Sangguniang Kabataan Reform. Once again, Aminuddin Sampurna, it's more fun in Maguindanao. Honesto, promise.